Hey there, YouTube creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to learn how to create a stunning YouTube channel logo using Canvas. So grab your creative hats, and let's dive right in.
Step 1, accessing Canva. First things first, open up your Canva account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to sign up, and trust me, it's worth it. Once you're in, search for YouTube channel logo. You'll find it as the second option under YouTube channel logos. Step 2, choosing your template now. Take a look at the fantastic YouTube channel logo templates that Canva offers. These are seriously impressive. Pick the one that resonates with you the most. For example, I'm going with this one. Step 3, customizing your template. Click on your chosen template and then hit that Customize this template button. Now, give it a moment to load and voila, this is the foundation of your YouTube channel logo. Step 4, animating your logo. Want to add a little extra flair to your logo? Well, you can. Click on the animation button and select an animation style that tickles your fancy. Let's see it in action. Nice, right? This is your animated intro type logo. Step 5, personalizing your logo now. Let's make it unique. Add your name or your YouTube channel's name right here. You can also play around with the text color. I'm going with black for a sleek look. Step 6, adding elements. Want to spice things up? Click the element button. Here you can add elements like this YouTube icon. Adjust the transparency to your liking. I'm going with 30. Step 7, frames and background. Oh, and frames can really make a difference. Go ahead and select a frame style that suits your logo. I'm sticking with this one. And don't forget to adjust the transparency. I'm setting mine to 50 here and 30 there. Step 8, final touches. Look at that. We've created a beautiful logo. Now, if you want to download it in video form, simply click the download button. Go for the M4 format to play it and see the magic unfold. Step 9, local downloads. But hey, if you prefer a static image, you can choose between PNG or JPEG. Personally, I'd recommend PNG for that high quality goodness. Select your preference, hit download, and enjoy your masterpiece. And there you have it, folks. Creating a YouTube channel logo using Canva is a breeze. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating and keep shining.